Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brian at Whisper Status 74. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the channel. This is the first time you are seeing me. Please consider liking and subscribing. We are real tech for real people. Today will be a quick gaming video. It's being filmed at 4K 60, so there is no editing being done. This is Ratchet and Clank on the PS5. It has had its 4K 60 firmware update, which we've seen on God of War, Ghost of Tsushima, and Days Gone. And like those other titles, the game feels nearly brand new with the jump from 30 FPS to 60. Now for me, what's changed with those, the update from 30 to 60, is the motion blur that was applied to all the above mentioned titles. That while the game runs smoothly, it just does feel like there is a blur that is now gone, making the game feel much more modern. You're seeing this on an LG CX Oled. We're going to bring up the box there to tell you that we are here at 4K 60 FPS. Gorgeous game, very colorful, one of the first and best looking games on the entire PS4 platform, as well as one of the first to actually have HDR. The one complaint with the game was there wasn't any HDR brightness slider. Right now we have dynamic tone mapping enabled. I don't believe it's an HGIG title. But the way the character moves is just gorgeous. And the goal of this company in this game was to bring that Pixar look to life. Just the way the camera moves is much quicker as well. The biggest complaint for the PS5 and the Series X is lack of titles. The best thing about them, though, is at least going back and upgrading older titles. Many of us are waiting for, Last of Us and Uncharted to be updated as well. So while we're lacking titles, it's great to have to go back and, or at least have these games to go back and play. For people like me that never get a chance to actually complete games, it's great to be able to go back and be encouraged to play them on another display and at a higher frame rate. The game just jumps off the screen. I have to thank Digital Foundry and to be on top of it to bring a lot of this news to us. The game apparently always had a 60 FPS ability, but it was capped. The earlier games did run at that frame rate. But it's great to have these games updated. And HDR just seems to come to life as well.
According to my database, we are headed to a shuttle designed for transporting Greg's high-value experiments. Well, I'll give him this.
Now the cutscenes seem to still be at 30. They look a little rough in comparison to the rest of the game, but that's okay. Very colorful game. Again, this is on OLED.
Intruder detected. Intruder detected.
Is that flamethrower? How do we use that? Oh man, just that. It's a tough thing about playing in filming at the same time as the camera's actually in front of me.
They say you're going for the ship. All floor. Grab whatever ammo you can find and open fire. Hey, fellas, let's do a little long back.
Cannot wait for the new version of this game. It's going to be gorgeous. This video will be about 7 minutes long. Record short time for me. You can see the movement is just so much more fluent.
Ain't she a beauty?
Take out the law backs.
Big mistake, lover.
If you guys remember this game coming out, it just wasn't quite as smooth. The cutscene looks alright.
Weapon removal detected. Self-destruct sequence initiated.
This doesn't look good. Ratchet, we must keep moving.
That's Lord's property.
Ship will self-destruct in 20 seconds.
The weapons are so cool in this game.
Ship will self-destruct in 10 seconds.
Finally! Come on!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now to finish the video, we're going to go to a more colorful, less dark level. I love that depth of field when you get real close to the character.
Got it!
Mr. Zircon? Mr. Zircon is here.
And this was a very fun game. If you did beat it, go back, run it again, play it before the sequel comes out, which I think will be next level. But it just really adds that next level feel. It feels like you're playing it on PC, which is so good about these consoles. Between 60 FPS and 120 FPS and some other titles. You see how the HDR changes the image. But definitely go back and check this one out. Same with Ghost of Tsushima, Days Gone, as well as God of War. Waiting for Horizon Zero Dawn to be next. Whoa, a lot of guys. Let's do it. Alright guys, that's a quick look at Ratchet and Clank on the PS5 with the 4K 60 update. I hope all is well. I'll be doing more of these gameplay videos in between the tech therapy and TV videos. They don't get a lot of views, but I do appreciate you guys watching them. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Love you guys. Take care.